Alright.
So it's kind of like a prop hunt kind of game.
So we can move to a different spot. Where are you though? If you went to Hawaii without me, I wouldn't be mad. If you had it, I'd be so mad.
Dude, it would let you know if I did.
Oh, dude, like doing 3 times. I did not like that. Give me the fossil. Where are you? Fine! Hey, I was dead. Come here. Come here. I don't see you yet. Where'd you go? Hey.
I'll go count.
Yeah, I got you. I tagged you. Come here.
I know. I'm going to count.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right, so gotta hit each other with you gotta hit each other with the net.
Alright.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Good idea.
6.
Dang it, I made a chance.
8.
Alright, go ahead.
10. Hurry up. 11.
1,000. I'm already done, dude. I'm ready.
14, 15.
I'm ready.
16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Here we go. Alright, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and go ahead.
Yeah, I'm coming for you.
Okay. You never find me. No. While you're finding, I'm gonna go see if I can. This one, okay. Alright, let me see. Let's save this. Wait, watching Teen Titan now?
Wait, I'm still looking.
Alright, let me see. Alright, I'm putting all the stuff in my inventory just in case you don't hit me and I die. I'm doing it again. Not Minecraft. If it was Minecraft, that'd be cool. Crap. This one. Wow. Classic, piece boy. Classic.
Don't tell me you're hiding in my house.
No, I'm not. I switched. I was just in there. No, I'm running.
Oh!
I'm joking. I was never in there. I was never. Alright, I give you 1 hit. Flag. What? That's your hint is flag. Okay? That's your hint. It's only 1 hit. 1 and ever hint. Here we do. The hint is flag.
I'm just like taking my time so much. I just like tried to catch a fish.
Oh, dude, I'm like for finding you right now. I'm getting bored. I'm walking around right now. I'm walking around in the Christmas tree.
I'm still trying to find you.
Dolly day. What are you? I don't know where you're at, dude, but I know where I'm at. I'm right near the retail. I'm right near retail. That's your hint. Oh, dude, I see you. I just saw you.
Dude, I'm like the wild thing in the forest. Like,
I'm like hiding from you right now. I'm like trying to do it without trying to get caught. Dude, I just saw you. Where'd you go? I'm like looking at stuff right now, and we don't care right now. Oh, a riding chair. Take that. A dress. Nope. Apples. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm like literally taking my patience right now and just looking at stuff when I was on the ground. Like it's like free stuff, yay! You coming? I think I saw you pass by. Where'd you go?
I'm still trying to find you.
Seeking wherever.
Like,
1 out, need to. Come on, dude. I'm just saying be funny. Okay. Come here. Give me this. Oh no! I got a butterfly and just came in front of me. Hey, no! Stay back! Alright, my turn. Alright, I'm kinda in the tree. Guy. Okay,
yeah, I'm done playing hide and seek.
What are you gonna do now? You just gonna order that? Cool. I know I'm in the video here, forget you. Right,
I'm watering my majestic tree.
It's never gonna become majestic if you never, it's gonna keep doing that. Okay,
I'm
guys.
watering a tree.
No, not me! I'm not a tree! No! No! Alright, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and also, damn it! I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.